Okay, so all that's left to do with our feet here is obviously to round the ends to make them look a bit more like feet, because at the moment it's quite angular and doesn't look that great. So what we're going to do is we're going to firstly use the ruler tool to give us a line that we're going to set our curves to. So we're going to go over to the left and we're going to click on tape measure. So that's this icon at the top here. It's the tape measure tool. And then we're just going to click on the ends of the foot on the top. So on the top line here, going to click, and then we're going to move in by 15 millimeters. So just as always, click release, and then move so it's all elastic. And then we're going to type 1, 5, 1, 5. I'm going to press enter like that. And that just gives us a guideline so that we can use that with our arcs to make sure that it's equal on both sides. So we're going to head over left to the arc tool, the 2-point arc tool, which is the one that looks like this. 2-point arc, select that, and then very easily we're just going to click here, click release, move over to here, click release, and then just move to that center point there till it goes blue, click. Same over here, click release, move across, click release, move to the front, click release, and then we've got our 2 curves for our feet. All that's left to do is go back to our trusty push-pull tool, click on that, and then we're just going to drag and remove those bits of acrylic that we don't need anymore. As always, you can obviously just drag it down and release it when it gets to the bottom, or click, pull it, and then go to the bottom, and then just click anywhere on the base, and it will just remove that for you. So now we are looking really good. We've pretty much made all the parts of our robot now, and all that's left to do is to make this acrylic part a component. So I'm just going to quickly delete that dotted line because I don't need that guide anymore. And then we're going to make these feet a component. Now it's going to be quite tricky. It can be quite tricky to select all of it without selecting other pieces. So a little cheat is that with the left mouse click you can click 3 times very quickly. Click, click, click. And you will see it has selected all the parts that it thinks that I want to make a component, which is right. And then that just leaves me to just right click, make component, base or stand, doesn't really matter, and click OK. And now that piece of acrylic is now a component. Don't forget to save. Saving, saved. Perfect.